Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Cousins. Today we're going to be making chocolate chip cookies with your host Alex,
Lydia,
and Luke.
now let's get
Cooking with Cousins.
So you're going to start off by mixing all your dry ingredients together. You're going to start off with 2 1/4 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking soda.
And then you just put it aside, but don't forget to mix it up first.
Okay. You said teaspoon again.
No, I was supposed to say teaspoon. Alright, now you're going to add the rest of your ingredients. So 2 sticks of butter,
3 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 1/4 cup of regular sugar, and
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Yeah. Yeet.
So now you're going to beat that together until it's creamy. Now you're going to add the eggs.
and mix it up. Now you slowly add your dry mix to the batter.
I want to see the butter go like.
Are you enjoying our show so far?
Yeah.
Now you're going to add in a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips.
It's heavy. And this time, use.
This time mix thoroughly with a spoon.
Yes. That's what I was gonna say.
Now you're going to scoop the cookie dough onto a cookie sheet and bake it in the oven for 375 degrees for about 10 minutes.
Yep.
Alright. Now you take the cookies out, put them aside to cool off.
That's weird.
Yeah! Alright, so the cookies are out of the oven, they're cooled down, and now, the final part, we're gonna taste it.
I hope this is better than the last one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. These are good.
Make
But
sure
what would
to
you rate it, Leah?
subscribe.
Definitely a 9.5 out of 10.
I'd agree.
They're actually really good.
Yeah. And like, the last one was really good too. What about you? Maybe even
Subscribe.
10 out of 10.
well,
Way better than the last one.
that's it, I guess.
Subscribe.
Well guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to click the iCard above to watch our latest video and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you'd like to see next.
5 stars, please.